या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपणे इंग्लिश सब्जेक्टनो यूनिट 2 स्टेप बाय स्टेप जो स्वाध्याय पोथी है ये आपणे पूर्ण करीशुं। रीड द फॉलोइंग पैराग्राफ्स फ्रॉम द लेसन। गुजरात इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेट. अहमदाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी एंड द सेंटर ऑफ बिजनेस इन गुजरात. गांधीनगर इज द कैपिटल ऑफ गुजरात. एवरी डे अबाउट 50,000 people travel between these two capitals, old and new. So we need a good transport facility. Answer the following questions. What is the capital city of Gujarat? એનો આન્સર છે ગાંધીનગર is the capital city of Gujarat. Why do we need a good transport facility? We need a good transport facility because every day about 50,000 people travel between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. We need a good blank facility. तो एनो आंसर शू आवशे? B छे ट्रांसपोर्ट. सेकेंड, ब्लैंक इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी. तो एनो आंसर आवशे डी. अहमदाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट सिटी. ब्लैंक इज द कैपिटल सिटी. तो गांधीनगर छे एनो आंसर आवशे कि गांधीनगर इज द कैपिटल सिटी. गुजरात इज अ ब्लैंक स्टेट. तो आपणे पेरेग्राफ में जोई गया है गुजरात केवी सिटी है तो प्रोग्रेसिव. तो आंसर आवशे प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेट. गुजरात इज अ प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेट. अहमदाबाद इज द सेंटर ऑफ ब्लैंक. तो अहमदाबाद इज द सेंटर ऑफ बिजनेस. हाउ मेनी पीपल ट्रैवल बिटवीन अहमदाबाद एंड गांधीनगर एवरी डे? तो 50,000 पीपल. The government of Gujarat planned for a new railway project. The government started a rupees 2,000 crores company for that project. The name of the company is Mega Metrolink Express for Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. The cost of this project is about 1,200 crores. Answer the following questions. What has the government of Gujarat planned? The government of Gujarat has planned a new railway project. What is the name of the company started by the government? The name of the company started by the government is Mega. અને મેગાનું ફૂલ ફોર્મ આવશે મેટ્રોલિંક એક્સપ્રેસ ફોર ગાંધીનગર એન્ડ અહેમદાબાદ. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. Mega means तो आंसर आवशे एनो मेट्रोलिंक एक्सप्रेस फॉर गांधीनगर एंड अहमदाबाद. The cost of the project is blank crores. तो आंसर आवशे 1,200 crores. This metro rail project has two phases. In the first phase, there will be 3 lines: north-south corridor, east-west corridor and underground corridor. Total length of all the 3 lines will be 76 km. Answer the following questions. How many lines will be there in the first phase of Mega? Name them. There will be 3 lines in the first phase of Mega. First, north-south corridor, second, east-west corridor and third, underground corridor. What is the total length of the three lines? The total length of the three lines will be 76 કિલોમીટર, જે અહીં પેરેગ્રાફમાં આપ્યું છે. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in a box. The total length of the three lines will be blank kilometer. So 76 kilometer. Which word in passage means stages? Answer આવશે D, phases. Fourth paragraph છે. The north-south corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar. This corridor will be 32.65 km long. It will start from APMC Vashna on National Highway 8A. It will pass through Vashna, Paladi, VS Hospital and Town Hall. Answer the following questions. Which corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar? The north-south corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar. What will be the length of the north-south corridor? The length of the north-south corridor will be 32.65 km. From where will the north-south corridor start? The north-south corridor will start from APMC Vashna. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. The north-south corridor will connect Ashram Road to Gandhinagar. The north-south corridor will start from Vashna. The north-south corridor will be blank kilometer to 32.65 km. Fifth paragraph. This line will cross the east-west corridor at Income Tax Junction. It will turn a little left near Koba Circle and will run towards Gandhinagar. There are two more junctions on this line, Info City and Gift City. There will be 31 stations on this corridor. Answer the following questions. Which two junctions are on the east-west corridor? અહીંયા north-south આપેલું છે, આપણે એની જગ્યાએ east-west corridor લખવાનું છે. તો આન્સર આવશે Info City and Gift City are the two junctions on the east-west corridor. How many stations will there be on the north-south corridor? તો અહીં પણ આપણે north-southની જગ્યાએ શું લખવાનું છે? east-west. There will be 31 stations on the east-west corridor. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in a box. There will be blank stations on the north-south corridor. Answer આવશે B, 31. Now let's us go on the east-west corridor. It will start from Kalupur. It will run through the main areas of Ahmedabad. Then the line will turn south towards IT Circle. It will go towards Commerce Crossing. Thaltej Crossing will be the last station of this route. It will be the terminus on east-west. It will be the terminus on the east-west corridor. Total length of this line will be 10.90 kilometers. It will connect the eastern and western Ahmedabad. Answer the following questions. Which line will connect eastern and western Ahmedabad? The east-west corridor will connect the eastern-western Ahmedabad. What will be the total distance between Kalupur and Thaltej crossing? The total distance between Kalupur and Thaltej crossing will be 10.90 km. Which is the last station of the east-west corridor? Thaltej crossing will be the last station of the east-west corridor. From where will the east-west corridor start? The east-west corridor will start from Kalupur. Answer the question selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. The east-west corridor will start from Kalupur. The last station of the east-west corridor will be Thaltej crossing. The total distance between Kalupur and Thaltej crossing will be blank kilometer, 10.90 km. Which word in the passage means last station? It means terminus. Seventh paragraph. Most of the metro route will be on pillars and overbridges. This will be called elevated route. The travelers will enjoy the beautiful scenes in the town. It will be a lovely view to see metro trains running on elevated tracks. Answer the following questions. What does elevated route mean? The elevated route will be on pillars and over bridges. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. Most of the metro route will be on pillars and over bridges. Which word in the passage means high? So it means elevated. Now paragraph number 8. You will be able to travel without tickets in this metro rail. You can use smart card facility. You can enter a station with your smart card. You swipe the smart card at your exit station. The system will automatically count the travel charges. The trains will run without drivers, but you need not worry. Technology will take charge of your safety. CBTC means communication based train control. Signaling technology will make your travel safe. All metro cars will be air conditioned. The train will travel at the maximum speed of 110 km per hour. Now answer the following questions. Write three specialities of mega trains. Number 1. It will have smart card facility. Number 2. Trains will run without drivers. Number 3. All metro cars will be air conditioned. What will be the maximum speed of the trains? The maximum speed of the trains will be 110 km per hour. It's a 110 km. What can you use instead of tickets? We can use smart cards instead of tickets. Answer the questions selecting the correct options and write A, B, C or D in box. You can travel without tickets. You can use the blank facility, smart card. You swipe your smart card at blank station to exit station. The trains will run without drivers. The train will travel at a maximum speed of blank per hour, to 110 km per hour. Fill in the blank selecting the correct options from the brackets. The east-west corridor will connect two parts of Ahmedabad, north and south. East-west answer આવશે east-west. Travelers will travel in mega trains with a smart card. Most of the metro trains will run on elevated route. The mega trains will run without drivers. The terminus for east-west corridor will be Thaltej crossing. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. All metro cars will be air conditioned. The maximum speed of the trains will be 110 km/h. Question number 3. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. Mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. They spread malaria, cholera and typhoid. We have swarms of flies and mosquitoes in monsoon and winter. We try to kill them, but it is very difficult to catch a fly or a mosquito. So we become the victims of their bites. We use many insecticides, but they are not much effective. Write true or false. Honeybee spread malaria. The answer આવશે false, because malaria કોણ spread કરે છે? Mosquitoes and mosquitoes. It is easy to catch and kill a mosquito. False, because it is very difficult to catch a fly or a mosquito. We see mosquitoes and flies in winter and monsoon. So true. Insecticides are very effective. Answer આવશે false, because they are not much effective. In this paragraph, we become victim of mosquito bites. True. Fill in the blanks. Mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. અહીં જે ઉપર પેરેગ્રાફ આપ્યો છે એના આધારે આપણે આ fill in the blanks કરવાની છે. ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ કરી નાખ્યું છે. Mosquitoes and flies are nasty pests. Mosquitoes spread malaria, cholera and typhoid. We have swarms of mosquitoes and flies in winter and monsoon. We become victims of mosquito bites. We use many insecticides, but they are not effective. Question number 4. Complete the dialogue using the words given in the brackets. Nitin said, "May I come in, sir?" Manager said, "Yes, you may." What can I do for you? જે અહીં બ્રેકેટ્સમાં આપ્યું છે. What can I do for you? Nitin said, "I want an SD account to be open in the bank." Manager said, "Okay, take this form, fill in the details." Nitin said, "Sir, I have filled up the form." Manager said, "Now paste your photograph and sign it." Nitin said, "Here it is." Manager said, "How much money do you want me to deposit?" Nitin said, "1,000." Manager said, "Okay, now give your form and money to the cashier. He will give you a passbook." Nitin said, "Thank you, sir." Arrange the sentences in the correct order and rewrite them. Steps to make lemon juice. Okay, જે આપણે લેમન જ્યુસ બનાવવાનું છે એના સ્ટેપ્સ જોવાના છે. તો નંબર 1 પર હશે pour some water in the glass. Number 2, cut the lemons into half. Number 3, squeeze each half piece into the glass. 4, take out the seeds from glass. 5, add some sugar. 6, add a little salt. And 7, mix the sherbet well. Okay students, તો તમારે જે આ સેન્ટેન્સ છે એ નંબર ફર્સ્ટ નંબર, સેકન્ડ નંબર, થર્ડ નંબર, ફોર્થ નંબર, 5, 6 એન્ડ 7 એ રીતે અહીં લાઈનમાં તમારે લખવાના છે. મેક અ પેપર બોટ ઓર અ પેપર શીપ એન્ડ સ્ટીક ઇટ ઇન ધ બોક્સ ગિવન હિયર. અહીં તમારે પેપર બોટ અથવા તો પેપર શીપ બનાવવાની છે અને અહીં સ્ટીક કરવાની છે. ઓકે. You have started a company of toys for children. Prepare a logo for your company. Draw the logo in the box given here. અહીં તમારે જે કંપની તમે શરૂ કરો છો અથવા તો શરૂ કરવાના છો તેને જે બાળકોના રમકડાનું કંપની છે એનો લોગો તમારે અહીં ડ્રો કરવાનો છે. ઓકે. સો થેન્ક યુ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. અને તમારે તમારી સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં આપણે જે આ સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી ફિલઅપ કરવાની છે. થેન્ક યુ.